Welcome to EDN113, External Student Workshop 4, Session 4A. During this week, all our readings and viewings were related to comic strips as a teaching tool. Once you've done your readings and viewings for the week, please conduct the following investigation. Have a look at some of the comic strips designed by Year 4 students of the Needheim Primary School. On our LMS Session 4A, Learning Schedule and Activities, you'll find this, and if you click on the names, it'll take you to some of the comic strips the children have created. Here are some of the examples of the ones that you can see when you do your investigation. The only part of the activity that you will have to complete for the session 4A is a reflection. You will have to reflect on what you learned about the use of comic strips as teaching tools, and what did you learn from the Year 4 student samples that we just looked at. Write your reflection on Lenoid for this week's reflection section. Thank you very much. Please continue to Section B.